what everyone can know and understand and probably agree upon is not having diversification opens you up to risk, right? So if your business is maybe not making the money it should be, or if it's specific in an industry that's affected over here, having that diversification of your assets and that allocation and actually where the location is held in each of those assets is incredibly important when you're talking about growing your net worth, and then also when you get into retirement. And a big thing there too is many entrepreneurs and many business owners, are never going to retire. And so you have to reframe that question about not when are you going to retire, but largely when we speak with our business owner clients is when do you want to no longer trade your time for money? And that's a lot better question to ask a business owner, because they know that most of the time when they're running their business, they are actively running their business and they're generating their own income. And whether that's salary or K1 distributions, they're generating their own income. And so to ask a business owner and say, hey, when do you want to be able to step away? And maybe that business is making that money the same way. Maybe they're making a little bit less because they hired a president to run the company or whatever it may be. But having that diversification in different investment accounts that are growing without you participating and having that compound interest that's really serving you in your overall financial plan, it's not going to be like everyone else. It's going to look different, but that doesn't mean you can negate and ignore that category completely, because it does become a really incredible supplement for cash flow, for successful retirement, and then largely liquidity, right? Because most businesses, for the private businesses, are not the most liquid things in the entire world. And so having cash, having liquidity, and having something that's growing when you're not having to manage it can really be a powerful, powerful piece in addition to a business owner's financial plan.